Good morning, this is day 4 of our Puerto Rico vacation. We're trying to establish communications with the locals. Okay, I think maybe I need to speak Spanish. Hola? It doesn't want to talk to us. It's okay. So what's for breakfast?
Well, we ordered a bunch of stuff that we didn't understand.
Rolitos de crema.
One de queso?
And I guess it's a donut.
Yeah, I don't know what they call it.
And we got some coffee, but they put it in a bag. Put coffee in bags here. It's kind of strange.
Cheers.
Bonk. Much better. Here we are, Playa Combate. Look at these birds. They're trying to steal our pastries. Salima lost her Ray-Bans somehow in the ocean, so we're going on a recovery mission. Trying to find them. Update on the sunglasses situation.
Voss just literally found my sunglasses.
We were like sitting here all upset, or Salima was upset that she dropped her sunglasses.
I was already shopping for new glasses.
She's going in the water, and I looked down, and there they are. Whoop. Okay, we're in Boquerón. We came to this restaurant called El Pirata. The traffic here is kind of crazy. The streets are very tight. Well, that's a cool car. I'll let him go, it's fine. El Pirata. Real pirates. Barrel tables. That's what's up. Alright, these are rabbit empanadas. Never had a rabbit empanada.
Oh my god.
Delicious. Alright, this one is empanada with camarones.
These are literally the best empanadas I've had.
The best. Been served. What is this, Salima?
This
Some fried fish.
Yep.
Nice.
Fried fish pieces.
Amarillos. Tostones.
Look. Woo!
Oh. Nice. Let's see what I got. I also got some fried fish. I heard it's Super Bowl Sunday, so we're here watching Super Bowl. Alright, we're now planning to go to this beach in Boquerón for the sunset. It's called Balneario Boquerón. I think we'll see if we can go in here. It looks like the gate is closed, can't drive in, so we have to park on the side of the road, and we're gonna see if we can hike inside. So awesome. This beach is beautiful. I like this a lot better than Playa Combate so far. It's much more peaceful. Less people here, I think maybe because it's gonna be sunset soon. But it's also like feels more scenic because this approach to the beach, it's just all covered in palm trees. How's the water?
Nice and refreshing.
Okay, cut. Take 2. Okay, that was a little bit better. We're waiting for the sunset. and it's gone. No green flash.